Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're gonna take up the turbo timber. I have flown this fairly recently, so I'm not gonna worry about a range test. It's a little on the windy side. I am running a Reaction 2800 4-cylinder.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
That's about my battery of choice. Don't have the flaps down right now. That's pretty much my battery of choice for these two, for the timber, the turbo timber and the Timber X. Mainly because it just fits perfect in their little battery bay, and it just, if you just put it right in there as it looks, it just balances so perfect. Now, I will tell you, the Draco flies an awful lot. Not exactly, but flies very similar to the Timbo Turbo here. So if you're looking, if you don't want to spend, $600 and get the Draco, then get this. Flies very similar. You can just paint it red if you wanted to. But it has a lot of same flying characteristics. They're both STOL airplanes. Look at that, flying low into the wind. Almost stopping. Here, let me show you
Landing flaps.
something really cool that this plane, the Timber X and Draco, have in common. You put them into the wind and they stop. They just about stop and stand still. Isn't that something? Just about stop. I like to call this wind surfing.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Almost looks like a bat hovering there, doesn't it? Now, I don't recommend this. What I'm doing right now is not a beginner's move. It is more advanced, trying to get your plane to hover still, because you're constantly changing your adjusting your rudder and your ailerons and throttle just to keep the right amount of tension, the right amount of thrust to maintain
Time remaining 2 minutes.
this kind of hovering attitude. You're literally trying to ride the wind. I mean, literally you are. But with a little bit of practice and some stick time with this plane where you feel completely comfortable with it,
Flaps up.
you can do this, and it's a lot of fun. All right, flaps are up. Flaps are up, so I gotta keep a little more forward momentum. But definitely slows down. knife edge there.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Definitely don't need flaps to land. It just sat down. All right, we got 1 minute. Whoa. All right. All right, props off. Our throttle's off. The wind is just pushing it. Let's see if the wind is... Oh, look. Wind is actually kind of pushing backwards. Yeah, look. Do not need much wind. Don't need much lift there to get her up off the ground with that wind getting underneath that wing. Okay, throttle's off. I'm just riding the wind on in here. Oh man. Oh, that wind. Come on.
Landing flaps.
Nope, nothing I can do. Down. Power of the wind. That's where I need brakes. All right, folks, thank you for watching. Motor off. Let's turn her over. And I want to show you the battery. This is, if I can stay, that's the Reaction 2800 I've got sitting in there. Fits in there just perfect. Oh, I didn't crank her down. What, she got loose. All right, let's see how much battery life I still have. Let me put the hatch back in there. Oh boy, come on, big boy. All right, should have it in my pocket. All right, let's see. I flew so I have 6 minutes or 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Flew every bit of that. Flew it all and I still got 64%. So could have gone another 5 minutes. So there you go, folks. You can get you put a 2800 in there, you can get a good 10 minutes flight out of there, no problem. Thank you so much for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. That is the Timber Turbo by E-flite. If you don't want to buy the Draco, this is a great alternative. Just paint it red. All right, folks. Bye-bye. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.